So ito po ay iterative cycle. So pwede natin ulit-ulitin ang action research. When do we use action research? First, if you have an educational problem to solve. So may problema po sa ating classroom. Students are disengaged. Students are non-numerate, illiterate. O, yun po. So meron tayong mga educational problems to solve. We use action research. When educators want to reflect on their own practices, ayan, we need to reflect our own practices. Yung paraan ba ng ating pagtuturo ay applicable pa ba sa mga bagong mag-aaral? Ang Generation Alpha ba ay natututo pa ba sa paraan ng ating pagtuturo o hindi na? Reflect. When you want to address school-wide problems, so marami pa tayong mga school-wide problems, dropout rates, child protection cases, bullying. So pwede po tayong gumawa ng action research. Teachers want to improve their practices. Yan. So gusto mong matuto ng higit ang iyong mga mag-aaral. So gagawa po tayo ng action research. When educators want to participate in research project, so gusto kong gumawa ng isang proyekto sa school. Yan, gawa po tayo ng action research. Kahit po yan ay gulayan sa paaralan, o kaya mga club, gawa kayo ng action research. When you want to advocate change in your school, you have to conduct action research. So, dyan po ginagamit ang ating action research. Ayan. So, meron po tayong two types of action research. Ito yung pinaka-common. The first is participatory action research. Sa pag-sinabi participatory, so emphasizes that participants should be a member of the community being studied, empowering those directly affected by outcomes of said research. Participatory, it means we invite the different stakeholders to our school as co-author, co-worker, co-researchers. So, in-invite po natin sila. So, this method, participants are effectively co-researchers with their lived experiences consider formative to research process. So, for example, meron po tayong project sa school. Gagawa tayo ng gulayan sa paaralan, hydroponics, aeroponic tower. Ayan. So, participatory action research, we invite different stakeholders to participate in our research. So, example, gulayan. So, nandiyan po ating local government. They can donate seedlings o seeds. Nandiyan din po ating mga barangay officials. They can give manpower or facilities for our gulayan. Nandiyan po mga parents na willing tumulong sa atin sa gulayan. So, yun po ay participatory action research. So, yung mga school projects, programs, pwede pong gawan nyo ng participatory action research. Ang mga PPAs, program, project, activities, ay pwede i-convert sa action research. Ito-document mo lang at isusulat mo ng maayos. The second type is practical. Yan, from the word practical, pragmatic action research. So, focus more how research is conducted and designed to address and solve a specific issue. So, yung mga ating classroom-based research. So, gumagamit tayo ng mga strategies, interventions, or innovations. We use practical solution to the problem, utilizing the available resources that we have. For example, ang learners mo ay disengaged sa inyong klase. So alamin po natin ang reasons why the students are disengaged. So then, from the root cause, mag-iisip tayo ng solution. So pwede tayo magbasa ng literature, pwede mag-brainstorming sa co-teachers, sa mga experienced teachers as advice, opinions from the expert, from school heads. Then try tayo ng isang feasible solution. So halimbawa, naisip mo ay differentiated instruction. Yan. So yun po ay isang teaching strategy or approach. Yun po ay action. So ang ginagawa po natin ay practical action research. Am I clear po, Ma'am Rona? Is my voice loud and clear?
Yes po, sir.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Okay, next po tayo. So, meron tayong models of action research. So, ang proponent ng action research ay si Kurt Lewin, 1946. Ang tawag ay PAOR model. So, we start with plan. So, plan lagi. What is the problem? What are the root causes of the problem? What are the possible solutions? Then, the next stage is act. So, we implement the possible solution to the problem. Isang solution lang po ang kailangan. One solution at a time. Then after implementing, we need to observe what happened to the problem when solution is implemented. Observe. Collect data from the participants. Then the fourth stage is reflect. So reflect on your own practices. What went well? What went wrong? What improvement I will do if I'm going to repeat my research. So this is the complete cycle of research. Then, itutuloy pa natin sa version 2. So, yung mga kailangan mo ayusin sa solusyon, ayusin mo, i-implement mo uli. So, the action research model is cyclical, iterative. Hindi po siya natapos sa isang cycle. Pwede mo na ulitin sa second cycle to improve your practices. So, yan po ang PAOR model ni Kurt Lewin. Other model is the PDSA ni Walter Sheward and Edward Deming na 1993. Sa PDSA, plan. Sa plan, of course, we describe our objective, the change being tested, prediction, action steps, and plan for data collection. So we plan our solution. But before planning the solution, you have to do the root cause of the problem. Then implement the solution or the action. So run the test, describe what happens, collect data, do. Next stage is study. We analyze data qualitatively or quantitatively. We can use software. Compare outcomes to prediction, and we summarize what we have learned. Reflect on the study. Then, the last stage is act. What's next? What changes? And start another cycle. What will be your action plan for the next cycle of action research? What improvement you will do on the next cycle of your research? So act. Sa PDSA model. May isa pa pong common model or a M model ni McNiff and Whiteheads 2006. So this time, first observe. Observe the problem in the natural setting. Then reflect. So why does the problem exist? What are the causes of the problem? What are the possible solutions of the problem? Then the third stage is act. Implement the possible solution. Then after implementing, we need to collect data on the implementation. Then evaluate, analyze your data. What have you learned from your data? And modify, change, or improve your solution and move to the next cycle again. So action research is iterative. So it will not complete with one cycle. You have to do it again. For example, may research ka ngayong school year. Tapos natapos mo ng 2025 ng April. Pwede mo siyang ulitin next school year. Provided yung solution ay may babaguhin ka, may dadagdag ka, i-improve mo yung solution. So pwede mo version 1, version 2, version 3 ang yung action research. So ganyan po ang nature ng action research. Unlike basic research, this is a linear. So it aims to expand our knowledge in educational issue, concerns, or theories to have a better understanding leading to program, project, and activities. It is used as basis for action research. Yan. So yung mga thesis and dissertation ay under po ng basic research. We are going to expand to generate new knowledge in educational setting, could be a theory to develop, leading to a program, to a project, or activities. Kaya po ang mga title na basis for, yun po ay basic research. Pati yung mga development of structural materials, development ng validation, yun po ay basic research. So, mas malawak ang scope ng basic research kumpara sa action research. Sa action research, pwede mong gawin sa iyong classroom. Pwedeng involved na 2 section, 3 section, 5 section, pwede po yon. Pero sa basic research, maraming involved. Hindi po pwedeng kokonting sections. Pwedeng isang school, isang grade level, o isang buong population ng school, o maraming schools ang involved kapag basic research. Basic research has an output. So may output po ang basic research. Pwedeng program, project, activity, action plan for the next research. So kaya po siya ginagamit for basis for action research. So halimbawa, kinuha niyo po yung research capacities of the teachers in San Pedro City. So what is the reason why you need to conduct a research to get the research capacity of the teachers? So dapat meron sa dulo a basis for project, a basis for program. So yun po ang basic research. Sa example nga po tayo ng mga title na pang-basic. So, pwede ba akong tumawag ng participants? Sir Garbo, are you here? Sir Garbo? Parang wala. Sige, tawag po tayo. Ma'am Berna Manalo, are you here? Ma'am Berna? Hello? Ma'am Berna, are you here? Parang hindi ako marinig ah. Ma'am Rona, do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear
Magpapasa nga
po.
po ng title ng basic research.
Understanding multi-grade teacher's life, changing experiences, a phenomenological analysis.
Second one.
Relationship between the reading performance of the learners to their academic performance.
Thank you, ma'am. So yung first title is Phenomenology. So yan po ay qualitative research. So yan po ay basic. Yeah. So ang purpose lang yan is to understand the multi-grade teacher's life changing experiences. So we need to expand our knowledge. Basic research lang po yan. Yung second title is correlational, descriptive correlational research between the two variables, the reading performance and the academic performance. So yan po ay basic research lang. Other title? Ma'am Maylene, do you hear me? Ma'am
Po,
Maylene, pakibasa naman po ang titles.
Teacher Research Engagement and Challenges in Antipolo City Division, Research Program and Policy Recommendations. Examining teachers' technological pedagogical knowledge, basis for conduct of technological driven instruction enhancement program.
Yeah, so pag ganito po ang title, sa halimbawa may semicolon, tapos na yan, Research Program and Policy Recommendation. So, ibig sabihin, yung research output or findings mo ay basihan ng paggawa ng research program and policy recommendation. So, basic research na po yan. So, mga basis for, pag ang title may basis for, yan po ay basic research na po. So, the purpose is to expand our knowledge to have a better understanding of the topic leading to program, project, or activities. Ang tawag po dyan ay basic research.